Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this Dyson V7 Animal cordless vacuum cleaner. It comes in full working order. I've cleaned it fully inside and out. So let's start. So it comes with a brand new replacement combination and crevice tool. They are brand new. A genuine Dyson charger. The main head, I've stripped this apart, cleaned it and put it back together. As you can see, it's nice and clean. The wand does have scratches, as you can see here, but it's only cosmetic. And there's okay. It's just at the end, it's cosmetic, that's all. And then the main unit. I've cleaned and washed the filter. I've put a little air freshener inside here because these do tend to smell after you wash them, so I put an air filter in to make it nice and smelly. So I cleaned and washed that, cleaned and washed the head, cleaned and washed the bin. This has a brand new battery of 4000 mAh. Just for this listing I've put this battery on here. I do it with all my Dysons. So I'll show you it working. Oh, quickly, this has two modes, as it says here. The first mode and then the maximum mode. Maximum mode's more powerful, but it drains the battery more quicker until you have to charge it again. To charge it, simply just plug it in, but don't leave it on charge. That's the worst thing you can, don't leave it on charge when the battery's charged. It is the worst thing for killing batteries, leaving items uncharged. Just show it working quickly. Easy to put together. So on these, so you just plug in the tools, red button as such. Even the main push button here, if you want to clean your stairs, you can do it like this if you wish. To empty, hold over a bin or a container, a bag, and pull this lever. The top will come up and the bottom will open, and then you can tip all the rubbish out and clean it out. To close it, you have to close the top first. I can't do it one-handed, and then push the bottom up. So it's good working, full working order, fully cleaned. It might have dust in tight places. Any questions at all, please just ask. I do have many other types of Dyson in stock. Thanks for watching.